Hello and welcome back. So as you may have seen in the short video, I've been on a rescue mission. I have been to a place not so far from where I am to collect a gearbox, and I'm about to head out now to jump in the van and drop that gearbox off, have a bit of a chat.
Hello!
Why am I here again? What are you doing?
Well, something to do with this?
We've been here before.
Yeah. And guess what? We're here again. And as stupid as it sounds, this time next week, this is supposed to be in Africa.
There's nothing else to say, is there?
I thought that earlier on the way home from work. It suddenly dawned on me. I was like, it's a week till it's supposed to be in Africa.
Yep.
This is what we want.
Just another one.
Hopefully, this is going to get us out of the ship. Got to keep trying.
See what happens. What you do is you really tighten these things up so that when Darren's at the side of the road, you're going to need to undo that.
What do you mean? I'm not going to be at the side of the road and need to undo that. Everything's going to go perfectly. This is it now. This is the final hurdle. It's never going to break down again. Ever again.
Show me your hands. You meant that one, didn't you? That's the level of enthusiasm.
That wasn't me punching it. It was.
That was him trying to punch me and hitting the wall.
No, that was taking my knuckles off trying to undo a bolt. You saying, weren't we?
Yeah. But it's inspiring confidence, isn't it? I mean, it's a bike again, ish.
The fluid in the new gearbox looks nice, and it actually doesn't look too, but it might look a bit black when it's in the jug, but when it's coming out it looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that's bad at all.
It knocks into gear nicely on the selector,
and
which the other
drain
box...
plug and the fill plug came out really easy.
Yeah, that wasn't what I've just taken my knuckles off, was it?
No. Blood all over the bike, look. Yeah.
It's a good night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're getting quicker at this.
1 week. And he will be in Africa. On this.
Supposedly.